Hey everybody, so I got a new electric heated bidet to share with you today. I've never been able to try one of these before, and they did send this one over for me to try. Now, my bathroom is extremely cold all the time. Right now it's cold even during the middle of the day. I also have a very small bathroom, so I'm going to try my best to show everything. Alright, so like I said, this one is the electric heated one. It's got a little blow dryer, heated seat, it's got all the controls. So we're going to go ahead and get this installed. I'll show you how to install it, and then we'll give it a try. Alright, so first off, get your old seat off, and I'm going to take the time to get everything nice and clean. So it shows that we have to remove the plate from the seat to install it. Alright, so it says to remove. There it is. So we need to remove the plate, and then we got to install this. Alright, and it shows these little anchoring rubbers. You got to place them into the holes. Alright, so what you're going to do is you're going to take those little rubber things, you're going to pop them into the hole, and then you got to put these pieces in here, and you're going to screw it down, and then it's going to anchor this plate so we can just snap the seat right in. Alright, now depending on your toilet, you may need to get some of those little bumper things that will go down and make it just go on a little bit better. Now all we got to do is just screw this onto the bottom of your toilet, and we're going to add plumber's tape. And then with the supply hose, all we got to do is slip it into the T. And then this one needs plugged in. I had an issue with the power station, so I got it on a cord. I just don't have any outlets in here. So I was messing with it. It does have this like bidet spa. It's got this cleansing massage. Some of this stuff doesn't work unless it senses your skin on the seat. Now, I did do like a cleaning massage, and then it shoots out this little metal rod with a sprayer. And then this, oh, I could feel the warm water through my glove. It definitely made a mess not sitting on it. You also can change your temperatures. Now with this one, you can also change your temperature. You got the seat temperature. You could do a high, a middle, or a low. And then you got your water temp. You could do the same thing if you want your water high, medium, or low, depending on what you like. Also, like I said, this has a light, so you can turn it on and off. The power button, of course. And then you can save electricity. That will power it off for the moment. You got your dry. This one's not going to work unless I'm actually on it. You got your auto, you got your bidet spa, your cleansing massage, and then you can stop it. Ah, there it goes. So you got to hit dry first. And then it opens up a little valve and it's blowing the air. I can feel it. Oh, I got to keep my hand on it. So if you stand up, it's going to turn off. So go ahead and turn it dry. And now we can go high. So that makes it warmer air. Oh, that gets really warm actually. And you can turn it to just air, it looks like. Yeah, there you go. So you got a choice of heat. So you got a choice of different temperatures for your drying too. Hit stop if you're done, or just stand up and it will shut off. Anyway, that's going to be my quick demo for this bidet. It's really nice. It works really well. You got heated seat, you got heated water, you got heated blow dry. Or you can always turn the temperature down and go with a colder one if you want. This bathroom gets extremely cold, so this is going to be like a nice little bonus. My bathroom gets down, well, like right now, it's even a little over 60 degrees right now in the middle of the day. And at night, we get down into the 40s and 50s in this bathroom. It's ridiculous. Now, I've never heard of anybody getting electrocuted by a bidet, but I know it's a joke that a lot of people will use. I guess if you don't hear from me in a few days, you can put that on my tombstone, death by toilet. So the seat is actually warm through my pants, even on low. I'm gonna like that. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.